Hi everyone, a very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got a special and sustainable recipe for you. We often throw away the broccoli stalk after using the forest. But did you know it makes an incredible delicious and nutritious curry? It's quick, easy and tastes amazing. Let's see how to make it. First I have separated florets and kept only the stalks. To get the best textures, we need to peel off the top outer skin. It's quite easy to do. Once peeled, wash them thoroughly and cut them into a small bite-sized pieces like this. Now let's start cooking. Place a pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 green chili and half a cup of onion, curry leaves and pandan leaf. Saute these for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Now time for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Let's add our prepared broccoli stalks. Now add salt to taste and stir everything together. Here I have used stock from 2 medium sized broccoli and give it a good mix. Now cover and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. You will notice I didn't add any water. The stalks are tender and will cook perfectly in their oven moisture. Look at that, the stalks are perfectly cooked. Now I am adding 1 cup of the coconut milk for that rich creamy texture. Mix all together. Give it a stir and add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. If you don't have tomatoes, a tablespoon of tamarind juice works great too. Let it simmer for another 2 minutes and then we can take it off the heat. And there you have it, a stunning broccoli stalk curry. It's truly must-try dish. If you enjoy this recipe, please try it at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.